Guys, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In this video, we are going to talk about the latest update regarding the deposit and withdraw for Cpen. So as Cpen, they made the announcement regarding the total token supply and allocation to the community. So let's go at it and see what is happening in the Cpen community. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. So let's go together. So at the first, we need to come in this section, which is announcement. So let's click on it. Let's wait for it. So regarding the update that they made like yesterday, so here it is, this one. So let's open it so that we may see the full announcement. So here is the announcement that they released. They said, hey, as community, the BSC wallet address submission is now closed. We are all set for the Cpen token distribution starting, which is March 30th. So to qualify, you must have completed KYC, submit your BSC wallet address, verified Cpen amount. Nearly like this is the main criteria that you need to be eligible for the Cpen token distribution. So if you meet this requirement like successfully, so definitely the token will be dropped into wallet. The wallet address that will be linked in your Cpen application to it. So definitely you are going to receive the Cpen token. So and again here they said that nearly 1 million community members are eligible. Total token supply will be 3.3 billion, within the equivalently 2 billion token mined by our Amazon community. Exact number will be shared post distribution. So the total supply of Cpen Network token, it is 3.3 billion, which is like community have mined over 2 billion token, which is like we have been mining like 80% or 70% of the token total supply, which is it is a big success. So here, so and I think reminder, as much one we have been switching from Cpen to ink mining, users who join afterward will be mining ink token. So don't forget, like right now you are not too late to start mining ink. So if you need to start mining like in the Cpen community, so you are not late. So the thing about Cpen, so but right now we are in the ink mining, which is like ink. Definitely it's gonna be huge. It will be like a huge airdrop that they are going to give into the community, like a part of the Cpen network. So Cpen network, it is a bigger, but again ink must be bigger ever, because like this project are really bullish on this project. So let's go for a announcement again. And it is like, it is not too late for you to link your BSC wallet address, but it is exactly today that you need to link your wallet if you didn't click it. So I will advise you to do so that you may not miss any opportunity regarding the sending token to the exchange. So let's go for a wallet so that you may see like how many verified token did I have, and did they send it to me or not. So here is the token that I have 2,613 verified token that they are going to give to me when they started the distributing token to my wallet. So definitely we are like waiting to see the token on this 30th or maybe 31st of March. So we don't know what they are planning, but we are really bullish on Cpen Network community. So here it is. If this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.